Hello everyone, I don't come again. Is your sister AB Media. I bring a one getting where I see make I bring for now. Una can see Iwaya now. The one we go for our this thing now, you understand. See this guy, e dey work e no be papa, him dey talk am say no be papa this thing, him dey work very hard for himself. He no put him papa money na him papa money, so because him be billionaire son, he no go work. He must work, no be a lazy guy. He's somebody that want to build his own, because his father na him papa, him own na him own. Is why the guy is working very hard. So him dey let people to know it's not because of he be billionaire son or billionaire person you don't want to work. You work for yourself, work with your father money na your papa money, him money na him own money. Abeg, make people dey live am, make him dey do wetin him dey do, make him dey work very hard for himself, dey plan himself. So I bring something now wey dey disturb me. I bring all this our Tinubu, I been wetin dem dey call am, all these people I no know wetin dey do dem 2023 don dey drag election again. Make una dey see after dem go buy bag of rice, pepper, after dem go buy bag of rice, dey dash pipo say make dem dey do dem for election. Abeg make una see dis fiancé wey dey propose for im wife. Na God go help us for dis our Nigeria. Na God go help us, I no go lie for una. Na God na him go help us you dey see am, person dey propose for im wife dey for im girlfriend, you see wahala somebody come dey target am, no be small target. Make una dey see. So now I dey tell una say nothing person no go see for dis Naija, nothing person no go see. We go dey see different things, no be small. So nothing person no go see dis our Nigerian, dis our politicians, dem just wan become 2023. Everybody dey drag, dem wan become higher and higher and higher, dem no care. So wetin me I bring again come for una say oba one wife na una know say na im birthday now. Abeg make una help me wish am happy birthday, our princess, our everything. I say make una wish am happy birthday long life and prosperity be to you, my sister. I dey wish you the best in life. So this our governors and the president in Nigeria, this Nigerian governors and presidents, governors especially all this our, dem just wan use our head, abeg make we dey shine eye make we no go dey take because of longer throat dey go dey give us salt 10 naira or maggi or pepper, buy oil or buy bag of rice. We go come vote for them. After the kind suffer wey we go come suffer for the vote, wey we go come dey suffer the bag of rice go pass the thing wey we dey suffer. So make we look our eye well before we go vote anybody wey we wan vote anybody wey una wan vote. All this our president, all this our governors, abeg make we dey look, make we no use longer throat go dey vote the wrong people. No go use longer throat because of say dem buy us or dem give you 1000 naira or dem buy bag of rice or bag of macaroni for you. You go come use because of that, you go come go vote for them. You no see them, you go come vote for them. You go think say na human being na you vote, you no know say na you enter one chance. Abeg make we dey shine our eye, make we no take because of money or because of food or because of food stuff wey dem wan dash us, they go come vote for them. The person enter there go turn to another thing, you no go remember us again. Abeg make we dey shine our eye. Na wetin I bring come because the thing dey disturb me, because some of us go take because of money, we go take because of many things enter say make we vote for them. After you vote for them, you don ask your mind say since wey you dey vote for all these people, collect all this thing wey dey collect, vote for them. When they enter there, they will not remember you, they will just forget. They go dey do as dem like, they forget that it's people they are running. So all of us now dey tell una make everybody dey shine im eye, make everybody dey look im eye well. Make we dey careful for wetin we go dey vote for, the kind of people wey dey vote dey put for that our seat because all this suffer wey dey suffer every day, dey suffer, dey waka dey go many countries, dey travel many places, while we have a very good country but we have a very bad leaders. So we have to know the kind of people who vote inside our seats. So my brothers and my sister, abeg make dey take am easy, make we dey take am easy dey vote. If you wan vote anybody, no collect money, no do anything, just enter there, vote for the normal, for somebody wey you feel that is going to work, not that you take because of longer throat or you take because of money. You come vote, after wahala go come out, everything go come dey say, you go come dey blame yourself, you don't know why you vote for this person. Now make me I say make I tell una, because these our people, and many people now they do mistake. They don't they take because of wrong truth. We go go vote, we go go vote. After you vote for 2023, they go enter. When they enter, they go turn to another thing. They will not remember you, only their family then remember. And the second one, their family know they for Africa. Their family don't travel abroad. Their family do not live in Africa. They will just they use us to do anything they want. A whole Nigeria that have everything. We are suffering a lot. So I beg, make una subscribe to my channel.